Hold on.
Okay guys, back at it again with part 2 I think of this video, if I'm not wrong. Yeah, part 2 I think. Alright, so I'm gonna start to install the, as you could see. Oh yeah, before I cleaned up the board. Yeah, I could see I cleaned up the circuit board. I removed all those burnt out MOSFET. So now I'm gonna reinstall some MOSFET, which, yeah, I did already. I'm sure these are the one I'm gonna use. This is for the output. It's the FDA 24N40F, and this is the, I'm gonna try this one for the first time. They claim it's original, so the company I buy from is a legit company. Not I buy parts from them before, so I'll see. I'll let you know, guys, how it works, if it heats up or whatever it does. These, and then I have for the power supply IRFP064N. This is one. This is original. This is not the first time I'm buying from this company. And the back view of it is look like this. Alright, so it uses let me see here, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. Hold on. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 11 12. So it uses 12 of the really, come on, it was 12 of these power supply MOSFET. That's a lot. I wonder why the guy in me when he says you can't manage it. Yeah, this amplifier, I think it's a lot for him, for real. Alright, so they come like in this packaging. Yeah, I wrote this on it, so I didn't get them mixed up with another batch I bought, which is not so original. Just to try the company, so so I'm not. Wow. So 24 of these. Oh my word, that's a lot. And I have to make sure everything goes to plan with these, because 24, and these are not that cheap. I don't remember. I'll tell you guys what did I pay for them later on in the video. I remember. See if I can remember clearly. So guys, this is not easy now. Let me check these out first to make sure. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21. Oh my god, 21 22 23. And I put one in just now, guys. I'm gonna show you what I did. And let me turn the camera a little bit to this side here. Yeah, you guys can see. Yeah, I marked the circuit with this one here. You guys see. Yeah, this one I installed this one before, just to get the measurement of the old one when I'm taking out, the height, just to make sure I put them in this same exact way, so none is taller than any. So I get them in line with this. I should have put one here, but this is the best. I could have used this rectifier, rectifier here to do that, but I didn't. But alright guys, let's go ahead. I'm gonna do the power supply first. Or should I do this? I normally do it from the top, and then I go over them. So let's see here. Guys, I have a bunch of parts here. Old transistors. Man, I wish we have market for them. I have a bunch. Same height, so I'm gonna do this, go straight up the line. What I'm gonna have to do with this amplifier, I'm gonna make a something for these amplifier. So when I'm doing this type of work, guys, I'm definitely gonna make something I could put it on, so it kind of be a little bit easier than what I'm doing here. Oh, come on. This thing do that to me, come on. Alright, so guys, this is what I'm gonna do. Go straight up the line, and the gate resistor for these MOSFET is the 47 ohms resistor. Yep, and coupled with a brown. Hold on, let me see what's that. Coupled with no, it's not coupled, but alongside it, let me see how it goes. Gate, drain, source, and the source, yeah, it has this brown, black, orange. That's what, again. Wow, that's an easy one. I can't remember. I don't remember it off the top of my head, guys, but yeah, that's the resistor that goes, just in case you have one and it burn through. But normally those don't burn through it like that. But yeah, let's go. Go along again. Continue on the journey. I can't stop saying that's a lot of chances. It's a lot. It's a lot. So I have to be extra careful that nothing goes wrong. Just making sure. Come on, what am I looking for here? Where did I put that stuff, man? I could do this to tilt the amplifier a bit. I tilt it right where the caps are. Yeah, so tilt it a bit. Let me go to this side here. This is where I'm mostly doing the solder. You guys a better view of what I'm doing, even though you can't see exactly, but I'm gonna continue doing this for now until I'm ready. I'm gonna have to stop, and then I have to do the rest and then get back to you guys. But for now, I'm gonna continue. Okay. And I like to install new transistors in amplifier because it just gives you that feeling of like everything is gonna be perfect, nothing can go wrong, you know, just that feeling. So a lot of time I work on amplifier, I don't feel comfortable if I don't replace stuff with the original or replace it with, you know, all the batch and all that stuff. Yeah, I hate it, but you know, sometimes you can do without, you know, repair amplifier without it, but sometimes some amplifiers you just don't feel comfortable when you don't do that to them, especially if amplifier that have bad, you know, reputation, which, you know. So this here goes. Alright. Then I'm gonna go inspect the driver board because yeah, I didn't get enough time, guys, to this video. I'm making it after that one, couple of days after, because due to my work and the time I have, that this is the only time I get to make a video when my wife is home. So she's looking at the kids at the time and I'm doing this, and sometimes maybe I'm gonna have to break and go help her out. They get crazy sometimes, you know, kids. And it's 2 girls, so you know, oh my words. Yeah, they get crazy sometimes, you know, kids are. Soon you'll hear them beating down the door to come down here and grab with me. They like music and that kind of stuff, and repairing stuff. Alright guys, alright, this here now, let me show you guys what this side here is finished. You see, I put in all those, so yeah, so I'm gonna cut the pins off. I'm finished. Yep. And then tilt them back a bit. Try to tilt to the front. Yeah, just like I tilt the amplifier. Really, these two really come on and stuff. Right guys, so now this is the back of it there. So let me go through and then let's see here, come on, this. Oh, really? Okay, come. And this middle pin, guys, please, yeah, make sure you put enough solder and then you try to make it soak right through, like what I'm doing, just like that. That way you don't have to solder on the top of the board, but sometimes you definitely have to solder it at the top, because some of these I'm going to have to do it at the top because some of the circuit board burned really bad. So why I keep turning down the solder iron, man? Jeez. Oh man. See here, guys, I rock it like that, so the solder seeps through the alright. So guys, I'm gonna stop the video here for now, and I'm gonna go install all these, the rest of the output MOSFET, power supply MOSFET, then the output MOSFET, and then I'm gonna check the driver board and I'm gonna start part 3 from there, and then we can go on from there and see. I hope I don't have to make a part 4. Oh man. So for now guys, that's it for now. So I'm gonna go install the rest of these cars. It's gonna be a lengthy video if I keep recording, and that's gonna be a lot, give me problem to download to the other phone, so I can, you know, show you guys what's going on. And I want to show you guys, like, you know, what I'm doing, most of the major stuff, because you guys understand this part of the way. Soon I'll be able to, you know, show you the whole thing, and but you already see what I'm doing, so the rest of it is not really necessary for you to see the whole installation of the MOSFET. Yeah, that's the kind of the easy part of the whole you know, repair. But you know, to install them, that's the easy part. It's really, like, you know, comforting, and but yeah, but when you hook it up and nothing is working, that's a big problem. But guys, I'll be back, so please stay tuned for part 3. Please like, subscribe, give me a thumbs up if you like what you see, and thank you guys for watching. CNC Electronics Sales and Repairs out for now, and please, part 3 is coming up. Thank you guys, I really appreciate it.
Hold on.